I had my first surgery in February. I did my 6-week checkup in March, and we scheduled the other hip for the beginning of April. So it was roughly 2 months between my hip surgeries. Everything was going so well, and I was so looking forward to it. It was crazy. When I got up after the second surgery, I felt like I could have bounced right out of bed and gone dancing. It was crazy. Both hips could move. There was freedom of movement whenever I walked. Yes, I had some instability simply because I had just had surgery. And the other hip was still strengthening itself. But yeah, I was going. I didn't waste no time. I didn't ask the nurses if I could get up and go to the bathroom. I got up and I went to the bathroom because I knew what I was doing at this point. And it was liberating to know that both hips were working like they were supposed to, that my legs no longer worked from the knees down. I could take a step and my thighs actually moved. You know, because when we take a step, there should be separation between your feet in a vertical direction. And that hadn't been happening before. Now it was. And I could stand with my feet apart. My feet were no longer less than 2 inches apart. I was putting them suckers out there a foot apart, and I was testing the waters. I hadn't been able to move my legs in that direction, and now I can.